Hello everyone, how you doing? No. Hey everyone, so today I thought I would do a will I buy it new makeup releases video because I haven't done one in like months. So I decided, you know what, there's enough makeup that's coming out that's new so that I can talk about. First, we're going to talk about ABH. The first thing that I want to talk about is the brand new Nuvina Palette. This is a pressed pigment palette. It has a completely different layout than their normal palettes. It's big, the packaging is purple, so y'all know that I'm interested. There are lots of purple shades. There's quite a bit of mattes. It's a really good looking bunch. Hold on. So there's lots of mattes. There's some bright colors. There's purples. There's some neutrals. Like, it's good. It retails for $60 US though. It's huge. Like, it looks like it's gonna be a big palette, but like...
That's expensive!
Even for ABH, like, for me in Canada, that's going to cost like 80 some bucks. It's supposed to come out on the 26th, which is while there is still a sale at Sephora. So fingers crossed I can get it for 20% off. Because if I can't, I don't think I'm going to buy it until I can. I would love to be on the ABH PR list. Like, I'm so jealous of the people I know who are because
I'm not a rich bitch.
I don't have money to be buying all these releases. That being said, do I think I'll buy it? Probably if I can get it on sale. If not, then I'll wait until I can get it on sale. I don't think it's something that everyone needs. I think you have to look at it, compare it to everything else you have in your collection, and then go from there. With that, there's like a little lip set, and they're all full sizes, and it's all orange, like neon oranges. The shade Spicy is coming back, which is the shade I want to pick up. Looks pretty. I don't think it's needed, but hey, cool, whatever. I actually used the ABH primer for the first time today on my lids because I always thought that it would just make it creasy, but it didn't, so I'm in love. The next product that I want to talk about is the Urban Decay Honey Palette. Now, when I saw this, I literally thought,
what the hell is this?
There is one yellow tone shade. Now I get it, honey is like brownish and blah, 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 like other people told me in comments, but that is not a honey palette. Like, they could have done so much. Like, Urban Decay could have clapped back at all the people saying that they're boring and shit. Like Colourpop went from being called Nudie Pop to Colourpop again like that. Like, they brought the color back. Where is the color in this? You got, like, so many, like, brown shades. So many of the shades look similar, too. Like, don't get me wrong. It's beautiful. If it wasn't Urban Decay, I'd probably want it. But this palette is gonna be Urban Decay priced. And I'm sorry, I personally don't like the Urban Decay formula enough to freaking get it. Like, sue me. I don't want it. Like, that is expensive. Like, maybe if it goes on sale one day, I'll want it. But personally, for me, I don't need this palette. It's pretty, but they could have done a lot more, in my opinion. Next, I want to talk about the ABH Jana palette. Since that's already came out, I did end up picking this up on my 20% off with Sephora. I was like thinking about this for like weeks. Ever since it came out, I've been thinking about it. And I was like, do I need it? I don't know. I thought that it looks beautiful. And I was like, you know what? This will be really good for the fall. And if I don't like it, then I can always sell it to someone who wants it. Because, you know, if I don't want to keep it, then I don't have to keep it. But yeah, I decided I'd pick it up. It's pretty. It has like some purple shades. It has some like pinky reds, so I'm down for that. Next thing I want to talk about is the Huda Beauty liquid liner and retractable liner duo. So on one side there's one, other side there's the other. I think this is a cool concept and I'm excited to see what the formula is like. I personally am not going to buy it because I have a tattoo liner and that's all I need, but I think it's cool. Beauty also has a cleansing balm coming out to remove makeup, and you know what? I think it's cool. I have my Drunk Elephant stuff, so I'm fine. I don't need it, but I think it's cool for other people who want it. Next, we have the Lime Crime Cool Tone palette. First off, this palette glows in the dark, so that's pretty freaking cool. Second, I don't have anything like this. I'm not a cool tone type of girl, so I don't own any real cool tone palettes. As soon as I saw this, I was like, wow, lots of people are gonna like that. And then I was like, I like it. So I'm getting my makeup swap friend Cassie to get it for me, which is so sweet of her. Thank you. I'm really excited to try it out, and I'll definitely do a tutorial for you guys. But yeah, I definitely want this. It's really pretty, and Lime Crime has an amazing formula. Also, one of the new products that came out are the Cookie and Tickle highlighters from Benefit Cosmetics. I already own Tickle in one of the little sets, but I don't own Cookie. So me and my friend Cassie got them. She actually got them for us, which is amazing. Thank you, Cassie. I'm so excited to try it. It looks so pretty. We have the Too Faced Gingerbread Extra Spicy palette. This just is boring to me. I don't know about you guys, but I just find it super boring. I don't see anything I like about it. And I don't really care for the Too Faced formula either, so it's a big pass for me. Colourpop has had some new releases recently, and by a few, I mean a lot. They've had a yellow palette, orange palette, peach palette, a rainbow palette. They're getting around.
They're like an STD in Saskatoon.
Not joking. Literally one of the highest STD rates in Canada. That is
disgusting.
Anyways, so they had a strawberry collection. Obviously, picked up the palette. I also picked up some blushes. All the Colourpop collections you can bet that I'm going to probably buy from. I bought from the rainbow one, orange, yellow,
I bought it all.
I don't buy every product that they release. I just buy what I think I'll use. For the peach collection that just came out, I bought a few blushes. The one blush that looks like it could be a bronzer, got that. Got 2 of the peach blushes because I'm going to give one to my mother for Christmas. Of course, I got the palette. Yeah, that's about it. I love getting Fourth Ray skincare as well, so all their new stuff I got. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you want to see more videos like this, just let me know down below. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Baby boy! Oh, you're tough? Are you a tough boy? Are you?